Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. So do you remember what we studied in the last class? Yes, we studied about our school. So what the preparations you are making when you are coming to school that we studied. Then we studied about what are the things that we are doing at school. So today we are going to learn more about your school. So we can check. So in our school, different rooms are there, isn't it? First of all, your classroom is there. More than that, there are different types of rooms are in your school. And each room have a special purpose is there. Each room have a special purpose is there. So we can check which are the different rooms in your school. We have many rooms at the school such as classrooms, library, activity room, canteen, music room and playground. So along with the rooms, playground is also there for playing. So in our school, different rooms are there. Which are the different rooms? Classroom, activity room, music room, library, computer room and canteen. Then playground is also there. So let us know more about each room and also we can understand what are the purpose of each room. So first is your classroom. So when you are coming to school, you will take your textbook, notebook, lunch box, water bottle and everything in the bag and you come to school. So after coming to school, you will go to your classroom. Do you love your classroom? Yes. So classroom. So what we are doing in the classroom? So we are learning and we are learning many things in the classroom. We are learning many good things. We are learning many subjects in the classroom. And also we learn to write and speak in the classroom. So classroom where you learn to read and write. Where you learn to read and write in the classroom. You can see a classroom here. In the classroom, teacher is there and also children like you are sitting there and they are watching the class and they are learning to the teacher. And we can check the next room is which one. So for reading books, you are going to where? For reading books, you are going to where? You have a special period is also there for reading books. So that is library. That room name is library. So in the library, what we are doing? We are reading books. So in the library, lot of books are there. So the books are according to the class and also the subject. Different subject books are also there in the library. So in the library, we can see a lot of books and different types of books are there. Cartoon books are there, comics are there, then subject wise books are also there. So we are going to the library and we can read different types of books. So in the library, a teacher is sitting there, a person is there. So that person's name is librarian. So with the permission of that particular person, then only we can enter the library and also we can take any books and read books. So in the library, one person is sitting there. They are controlling all the things in the library and we have to ask permission from the librarian, then only we can enter the library and take the books. So in the library, what is the use? For reading books. You can see in the picture, children are coming and taking books with the permission of the librarian. The person who is sitting in the library and controlling all the things in the library, controlling all the working of the library is known as librarian. The person who is controlling all the working of the library is known as librarian. So with the permission of the librarian only, we can enter the library and we can take and read the books. And next is what? Next is music room. So when you are coming to school, at that time you can see that in your in once in a week you have one period is there. At that time you are going to that particular room and learning instruments and learning music. Some of you are learning some other things also like dance, karate and yoga like that. Some others, some interested children, they are opting that music or any other instrument to learn. So where we are going to learn music and instruments, musical instruments in the music room. So you can see here a music room, a teacher is teaching them, you sing and learn to play the guitar in the music room. Not only guitar, many instruments we can learn from the school in the music room. Next is computer lab. So when you will study to learn how to operate a computer in the computer lab. So in the computer lab, your computer teacher is there and she is giving instructions, and according to the instructions you are studying the computer. So computer room or computer lab, you learn how to operate a computer. So with the permission of the teacher only, you can enter the computer lab and you can learn the different things about the computer. So computer room, you learn how to operate a computer. And next is canteen. In our school it is not there because everyone is bringing lunch from the home. But in some schools canteen is there. So those children, those who are not bringing the lunch, they are going to the canteen and they are taking the lunch from there. And also the children bringing the lunch, they can also sit in the canteen and they can take the lunch. So you go to the school canteen to have lunch. That is about canteen. And next is activity room. So in the activity room, what you are doing? In our school, one room is there, it is known as activity room. In that room, we are learning many things. That means, for example, you will learn to make cards, you will learn to make many paper art, paper craft and many other craft work, art and craft work. So what do you mean by art and craft work? So you are making different things or different models using paper, clay, wool, thread. So these type of works are known as art and crafts work. You learn to draw and also to color. So that kind of works you are doing in the activity room. So you can see in the picture, children are coloring many pictures. They are doing many art and craft works in the activity room. You learn to make paper flowers, stars and do other craft work in the activity room. So we are studying or we are learning many art and craft work like paper flowers, to make paper flowers, stars, clay modeling. So that kind of items we are studying in the activity room. So today we studied about different rooms in our school. So the first of all, we studied about our classroom. The classroom is very important to us and also it's a very good place to us. We are learning many good things from the classroom. So we will listen to the teacher and also we will learn to write, read and speak from the classroom. Next is we studied about library. In the library we are going to read books and also taking books. Then music room, you learn singing and also you learn to play many instruments, musical instruments in the music room. Then computer lab, in the computer lab you will study or you will learn to how to operate a computer. Then canteen, you go to the canteen to take the lunch. Then activity room, you learn to make paper flowers, then stars and many other art and craft works in the activity room. So that is about today's class. Then today's assignment. So write in the notebook. So these words you have to write one time in the notebook. Classroom, library, music room, computer lab, canteen, activity room, lunch. And you have to write and study these words in the rough book also. So write and study the words in the rough book. And you have to write one time in the notebook. You have to write these words one time in the notebook. And you have to write and study these words in the rough book. So today's class is over. Thank you.